Welcome to Wickerson Studios. Michael Wickerson here, learning Grasshopper 2.0. Exercise 1 will be to look into the params menu and take a look at the containers. But before we do that, I want to spend a little bit of time initially looking at this top menu. Grasshopper starts really with About, and if you click that, you'll be able to see some information and data that usually in Grasshopper 1 came up and showed you the plugins and the icons associated with them. You also can set your preferences in here, take a look at plugins, folders, and loggings. Number 2 section would be the file where you can open files. I do like this tool, Examine, which allows you to go in and grab a file that you might have but you don't want to open it yet. You simply want to gather some information about it, and you can see that it's right here. Just something to look at other people's files. I thought that's pretty nice. Everything else seems pretty familiar. Edit, nothing new. The paste exotic is nice because it gives you choices of where to paste things and move things about your canvas in Grasshopper 2.0. View, I like to set the dark mode, which it's set. Show names is a substitute for bifocal tools. Show hints is nice, messages you want to see on all of your nodes when things are running or not running, like these yellow and red tabs. And show tooltips. Display, I would set to preview, display wires, and display meshes. Solver, you will not be able to, like Grasshopper 1, to push down your middle scroll key and activate a bunch of quick tools as of yet. I don't know if it's coming, but you can commute from here. And you can also set your dragging as well. Help, the most important thing, is right here, documentation. And although you can load it up and it will open, and I've got this Grasshopper window here, you can see that basically you might want to go in, realize that we're starting with params, I'm starting with data, and we can start taking a look at the information on each one of these. I don't actually use the documentation this way. I'll show you in a minute how I use that documentation. That's enough for the intro of the menu. We're going to start with the params and taking a look at the data section from generic to tuple, numeric from integer to time, and geometric from point to mesh facet. So that is params coming up first as params, the first exercise 001. And thank you very much for watching.